have the very talented Mr. Toby here at the Pet Shop Boys. He's doing so well in his loose leash walking program, and he's doing pretty amazing on his puzzle so far. This is the dog Smart, and I've only hidden 2 treats, and look at that, he's already found both of them. I'm curious to see though what Toby will do with this. This is called, I want to say it's called the dog maze. So pretty much what you gotta do is you drop a kibble or a treat at the top hole here, and then the dogs have to figure it out that they gotta move it around just as so to have the hidden treats kind of make its maze around the toy here. So great work, Toby. I hope you're enjoying the rest of your day in daycare. Bye, buddy.